In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message a seller on Dhgate 2025, step by step. If you need to confirm details before you buy, contacting the seller is quick and built right into Dhgate. Here's how to do it smoothly on the website or in the app. Start by going to dhgate.com or opening the Dhgate app and sign into your account. Being signed in links the conversation to your profile and any future order so the seller can see what you're referring to and reply accurately. If you're not signed in yet, Dhgate will prompt you before you can message. Next, search for the product you're interested in. Use clear keywords and, if helpful, apply filters like size, color, shipping location, or price to narrow your results. When you find the item that looks right, open the product listing. This page is important. It's tied to the specific seller offering that product, and it's where Dhgate places the contact options. On the product page, look for a button labeled Contact Seller or Chat Now. On desktop, it typically appears near the price or purchase buttons, while in the app, you'll often find it below the images or under the description. Contact Seller usually opens a message window and Chat Now starts a lifestyle conversation. Both reach the seller directly. Click the button and type your message. Keep it clear and specific so the seller can help you on the first reply. You might confirm stock availability, color or size options, customization details, shipping methods and timelines, or bulk pricing. If you have a deadline or need expedited shipping, mention your time frame. Including the product link or the exact variation shown on the listing helps avoid confusion. Stay polite and professional. Short, organized questions get faster answers. When you're ready, click send. Your message goes straight to the seller through Dhgate's messaging system. You'll see the conversation in your Dhgate messages, and if you're using the app, you may receive a notification when they reply. If you don't get an immediate response, give it a little time. Many sellers operate in different time zones. Keep all communication on Dhgate for your safety and to ensure any agreements are documented within the platform. That's the entire process. Sign in, find the product, open the listing, tap Contact Seller or Chat Now, type your message, and send. With a clear question and the right listing in front of you, you'll get the information you need to shop confidently on Dhgate. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.